Are you interested in web development but don't know where to start? In 2023, web development is a fantastic career choice with high-paying job opportunities available. According to recent statistics, the average salary for a web developer is around $75,000 per year, and it can go up to $120,000 or more with experience and expertise. And the best part? You don't need a degree to get started. At Dropout Developer, we believe that anyone can learn to code, regardless of their educational background. Our mission is to provide the best free resources from the internet to help you learn code faster in all fields. We offer project-based learning paths to help you learn fast and get ready for a job free. So, what do you need to know to become a web developer? Start by learning the basics of coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the foundation of web development, and with a few weeks of practice, you can start building simple websites and web applications. The best part is that you don't need to spend years studying in college. Many successful web developers are self-taught and have learned everything they know through online resources and practice. You can start learning web development today and see results within a few months. There are many online resources available to help you learn, from free courses on YouTube to paid courses on sites like Udemy and Coursera. You can also find coding bootcamps and workshops in many cities, which can provide you with hands-on experience and help you build a portfolio of work. And don't forget about ChatGPT. As a large language model, it can help answer your questions and provide resources to help you learn. It can also help you stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in web development. With these resources at your fingertips, you can become a proficient web developer in no time. And once you have the skills, the job opportunities are endless. Many successful web developers have started their own businesses or work remotely as freelancers. You can work for a startup or a large corporation, or even start your own web development agency. Why wait? Take the first step towards a rewarding career in web development today with Dropout Developer. With a little bit of dedication and the right resources, you can be on your way to earning amazing money in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!